Hey, I wanted this to be a quick unboxing here of the brand new, just came out, Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. This one is in blue, in the base version. So let's get on into this here. So the first thing is going to be your SIM card ejector tool and their USB-C, USB-C cable, along with some paperwork in there, which is in this top part of the box. And then here is the phone itself. So again, this is blue. It is a very white blue though. It's a very, very light blue. It's almost more white than it is blue. Of course, you have 3 cameras set up there. Flash, Samsung down there. 5G there. And take this bit off there. Alright, then we got USB-C, of course. Mics and speaker, power button, volume rocker, speakers, or excuse me, mics, not speakers, mics, and our SIM card slot will go there. And then of course, the camera up front. So it's a very nice looking phone. Then here is an S24 Ultra for reference. So they do look sort of similar. Of course, this is more squared off, kind of boxier. This is more rounded. But yeah, I mean, it's a good looking phone. Here in the US, this starts out at $650. Again, that is for the 128 gigabyte version. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. And if you bought one, let me know which color you chose. Again, I chose the blue. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.